Hey! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in iOS Launcher and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now wait for the pop-ups to show, and when they do, choose Allow and while using the app in all of them. Then swipe up and click on Home button. Over here you need to select iOS Launcher by tapping on it. Then select Always and tap on Got it! As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. But if you want to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into Settings, choosing Apps section over here, and then scrolling down. Following that, you need to tap on Default Apps and click on Home app. Now apply Launcher over here to go back into the default one, or click on iOS to try the Apple one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!